Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some important tools of Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin with the Marquee tool. Marquee tool, it provides various options to select the area of an image. See here. This is Marquee tool. This tool is used to select an area on the image. It is having different options. Once you click on this Marquee tool, you will find these four options over here. Look at here. These option is present in the Marquee tool. That is rectangular Marquee tool, elliptical Marquee tool, single row or single column Marquee tool. If you select this option rectangular Marquee tool, then you can select an area on the image in the rectangular form. In elliptical Marquee tool, you can select the area in a circular way. So we have selected the rectangular Marquee tool by simply holding the left mouse key button and dragging your mouse over the image for which you want to have the selection. Then in this way the dotted border will appear. It shows that the particular portion is selected from the image. So Marquee tool provides the mechanism to select the area of an image. Now there is a lasso tool. Lasso tool is used for making a freehand selection. It helps us to quickly select image its edges. Means if we want to select a particular image, for example, if we want to select this particular portion, means a particular portion having some edge, to select that portion with the help of edges, there is an option Marquee. The lasso tool provides you to make a free selection. In free selection, you will get lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Lasso tool, this option will help you to make a free selection in an image. Polygonal lasso tool, it helps you to select polygonal area of an image by clicking at different points. Magnetic lasso tool, generally it stick to a particular color of an image, means edge of an image, and if you move your mouse over the edge of that image, then the image which is followed by that selected edge get automatically selected. For example, if we want to select the head of this cat, then put your magnetic lasso here at the edge of the image. After that, hold your mouse left button and drag it to the edge of that particular area which you want to have the selection. So after your movement of your mouse over the edge of the image, that image will be selected. So lasso tool help you to select an area of an image by simply dragging the mouse over the image. Now the magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is used to quickly select the area of an image with a similar color, just single click. Means if you want to select an area of an image based on some color, then that can be used with the help of magic wand tool. Magic wand tool, see this, this is magic wand tool. you will find this magic wand tool on this toolbar. Click on this magic wand tool, and suppose if we want to select an area which is having the brown color, then simply click on here. So according to this color pattern which is present over here, it will make the selection from the entire image, means it will find this color from this image and it will automatically select the area which is having this particular color. Suppose if we want to select an area which is having this blue color, then simply click on this here. It will mark or it will select that area which is specified with that particular area, with particular color. For example, this. Suppose you click here, so it has automatically selected that portion which is having the color which you have clicked. So magic wand tool is used to select the area of an image with the similar color just by a single click. Means if you want to select an area of an image with a particular color pattern, then that can be done with the help of magic wand tool. Now the move tool. This, look here, this is move tool. Move tool is used to move the selected image from one location to another. Suppose you have selected this particular portion by using rectangular marquee. So after using the rectangular marquee, and if you want to move this particular area to some other place of the image, then by having this move tool, just select the move tool, left click the mouse over here, hold it and drag the mouse to the particular direction or the particular place where you want to move the selected portion. Like here, we have selected it and we have moved to that particular place. So in this way, it will help you to move the selected portion in an image. So let's revise. Marquee tool, lasso tool and magic wand tool. All the three are the selection tool. If you want to select some area of an image, then that can be done with the help of marquee tool, lasso tool and magic wand tool. Now the crop tool. The crop means cutting, to remove some part. The crop tool is used to keep only the selected part and move the remaining portion. Means if we want to remove some of the portion from the image which you don't want to have in the image, then that can be done with the help of crop tool. You can select the crop tool here. This is a symbol for crop tool. If you click on this crop tool, it will help you to remove the unwanted portion which you don't want to have in the image. Suppose this is the image and I want to have only this portion. I want to remove rest of the portion. Then with the help of crop tool, just select the portion which you want to crop. After doing this selection, it will be cropped from rest of the part. You will get only that portion which you have cropped. So after selecting the area which you want to crop, just press the enter key and the area which you have selected will be cropped from rest of the portion. Now that is brush tool. Brush tool is used to apply smooth and soft brush strokes on the selected color on the image. Means if we want to do the fine tuning of an image, means if we want to brush up some portion of the image, then that can be done with the help of brush tool. So how can you do this? Select the brush tool and click on the set foreground color. Foreground means the color which you are seeing at the front of the image. Background color means the color which you are seeing at the background of the image. So select the foreground color from the tool panel here, and after that select the color which you want to apply on that particular portion. Suppose we have selected this one, and after that if you apply the brush tool, it will rectify and enhance the quality of that particular color from the image. Now again it is a paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool is used to fill a color in an image. Means you can fill some color in some image or a part of the image. This can be done how? You have to select the paint bucket tool from the area. After that just left click your mouse in that portion where you want to apply that color. The color will automatically get filled in that particular portion. Likewise, there is the gradient tool. Gradient tool is used to fill the selected section with blended multiple colors. So gradient tools help you to fill a selected image with a blended multiple colors. Select the gradient tool. After this, here in the paint bucket area you will find this gradient tool. Select the gradient tool. After selecting the gradient tool, select the pattern which you want to apply. After that, move your cursor to that area where you want to apply that gradient, and just by left clicking your mouse you can apply the gradient in the particular selected area. Now color replacement tool. Color replacement tool is used to replace the existing color in the image with the new color which you want to apply. Just click and hold the brush tool and select color replacement option here. See here, this brush option, click on this and here select color replacement option. This is present here. This option, by click on this down arrow you will get this option, color replacement tool. After selecting the color replacement tool, just choose the color, click on the set foreground color. After that choose the color which you want to apply from this color window. After that just click the mouse or drag the mouse over that portion on which you want to apply that particular color, like here. So that area will be filled with the color which you have selected. So these are the tools: brush tool, paint bucket tool, gradient tools, color replacement tool. It deals with the color, background color and foreground color of the image, means you can change, enhance or alter the color of the selected portion, or you can fill the color in the selected portion of the image.